Careful.
Very gentle. What are you guys doing in there? Cheese! What are you doing in there? Hi, Roman. Wow. Look. What are you doing in there? Wow. London, are you showing him the ropes? You know what's so funny? I was singing Itsy Bitsy Spider the other day to Roman.
Yeah.
And London chimed in and was helping me sing to him. It was so funny because he was like teaching him the song and I'm like, I was just teaching London the song.
London, you ready? London, you ready? Uno, dos,
Uno, dos, tres, blanco.
dos, siete, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now ready? 1,